So in this program, there's an array 1 and an array 2. So array 1 has 495, and that in this program that would mean 495, 495. And array 2 is 32, and that would mean 32. So basically, it's just putting the array into one big integer form. And so there's a function that's called integer cast that takes array, which will either be array 1 or array 2. It'll have a sum which is equal to 0. So the way this program is going to do it, it's going to find so the digit, so 5 is in the one digit, so that 5 is only actually equal to 5, and 9 is in the 10 digit, so 9 is actually equal to 90, and this 4 is equal to 400, so 400 plus 90 plus 5 is 495. So that's how it's going to find how much array 1 is in the one big integer form, because the program only knows how to take it as the array form. So this is going to be sum. It's going to be j, which is going to be the length of array 1 minus 1, because it counts by zeros. And there's going to be an I, which starts at 0. So while j is bigger and equal to 0, x will be equal to array j times 10 to the power of I. So to the power of I means, so when I is 0, it would be 10 to the power of 0, which is 1, and then I would go up 1, which is 1, and then 10 to the power of 1 is 1, and 10 to the power of 1 is 10, and so on, going up to 100, doing all the digits properly. So sum plus equal to x, to make it so sum actually gets bigger every time, and then I increments and j increments, and then it does that until j is smaller than 0, and then returns sum, which would be the sum of all, which would be 495 for array 1. So then this function would be called twice. One called s1, which calls it with array 1 inside here, and one called s2, which calls it with array 2 as array. So then it's going to add them together to get the sum of both of those arrays, and then it will get the answer. It will get the answer of 527, because 495 plus 32 is 527.